Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert smart art items to your slides on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and start creating your slides. After that, you should tap on the insert button at the top on the left side and then tap on smart art, and here you can find a bunch of items organized into distinct categories such as list, cycle, process, and hierarchy and timeline. So you can just simply tap on the relevant one that you would like to insert, and here you can find it. You can type your text here so it will appear on those items and boxes. So that's how you can customize it. And as you go to the top, you can also change the color of it. You can make it colorful, as you can see. You can set the borders, fill it out. Here you can select from the styles. So you have a vast variety of options how you can customize these smart art items. You can also change the width and height of these boxes and icons. You can alter the text, and basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.